The Ground Based Strategic Deterrent, GBSD, is a future American land-based intercontinental ballistic missile ICBM system currently in the early stages of development. It is scheduled to replace the aging Minuteman III missiles currently stationed in North Dakota, Wyoming, Montana, Nebraska, and Colorado from 2029 to 2075. In 2020, under the Trump administration, the Department of the Air Force awarded defense contractor Northrop Grumman a $13.3 billion sole source contract for the development of GBSD after Boeing withdrew its proposal. Northrop Grumman's subcontractors on GBSD include Lockheed Martin, General Dynamics, Bechtel, Honeywell, Aerojet Rocketdyne, Parsons, Textron, and others. In March 2019, the W-87 Mod 1 thermonuclear warhead was selected for the GBSD, replacing the W-78 warhead currently used on the Minuteman III. It is unclear whether the W-78 will be fitted to the GBSD or if some other arrangement, such as moving the W-87-0 to the GBSD first, will be made. However, the estimated date for the first production unit has been moved to 2030, a delay from the initial expected entry into service. GBSD testing will be conducted primarily at Hill Air Force Base, Utah, and at Vandenberg Space Force Base, VSFB, California, with missiles launched from VSFB over the Pacific Ocean. Additional testing will be conducted at U.S. Army Dugway Proving Ground, Utah, U.S. Army Garrison Kwajalein Atoll, and within the territorial waters of the Republic of the Marshall Islands.